you should replace the microphone cover on your Kanso 2 sound processor every 3 months, or sooner if the microphone protectors look dirty or you notice a reduction in sound quality. One way to remember this is to change every season. The microphone protectors on your Kanso 2 sound processor are attached to the underside of your sound processor's cover. You should check them for signs of dirt or grime every day. To replace the microphone cover, remove the cover from your Kanso 2 sound processor using your thumbnail in the slot provided. When the cover is removed, the sound processor's sensitive microphone filters are exposed. Do not touch the microphone filters, as this could cause damage to your sound processor. Then, place a new cover on your sound processor, ensuring it lines up with the sound processor body properly. Lastly, press around the edge with your thumbs to make sure the cover is properly sealed.